Adoba kun Hakumam inu We are seeing now We do what I see Na nenya me
Yeah, mama kwaba eba ma wari edwumedie so e wo pent TV ha nyame enhira wo pa ene ye di awari a efri 4 Square Gospel Church o Ghana ha owura ni owura yiri bia o ma wari edi 20 years emunsem na ye di ebrewi ye ko akogin krato aba bo modern se nko ahonhwe cause oyereba ukumba na uka kire na anhwe a onte ase papa nti frɛ no metena wo nkyɛn yakɔgye nkrato aba abeto aso 20 years odo emu enkomo na ye di ebre o ye frɛ me Gina Asante.
Is there a supernatural dimension? A world beyond the one we know? Is there life after death? Do angels exist? Can our dreams contain messages from heaven? Can we tap into ancient secrets of the supernatural? Are healing miracles real? Sid Roth has spent over 35 years researching the strange world of the supernatural. Join Sid for this edition of It's Supernatural.
Hello, Sid Roth here. Welcome to my world, where it's naturally supernatural.
Okay, yes, I'm on kwaba nyame enhira wo papa I have pen TV wo hwe ma wari edwumedi a ye tade bra wo de enkofo odomu nsem e de bra wo se de be ya wo so wodo e be so twan aha nyame enhira wo pa enne no awari edi 20 years. In fact, the General Secretary of 4 Square Gospel Church. Now, what are nsem na ye de bra wo na wa wo hwa Reverend Francis Sey ene ye maame Adwoa Sey omo aware mu nsem na ye di brewi aware no se de miame hu ne ma na mu nsem be ye de ti bo modin apa ba bitena na ye nkomu ne enko papa mu ne hwe se ene ma be na ekoso wo mu ne fa bi mbo ye bra Reverend.
Yes.
Ma. Ya be bon komone. Nyami shira mo papa.
Amen.
Mama kwaba
Anya sam kakraba kra.
Mama kwaba papa.
Yenia.
Eba pen TV ha. 4 Square Gospel for so be eni omo ha. Nyami shira mo papa.
Amen. Unshira onso.
Ne no na mi hwe busa hu mu se. Reverend. Ena ohun ma say ana say Auntie Adwoa no who Reverend Sey when no who ne nyonko when no kofa ne nyonko bai
I dey yina na ye share
ye yina na ye share ye hu inyo
na when no di kan e ya attempt no
mo si yin de
na ne be konfante
inyo ye be konfante
inyo
ma so mo ya
baba nyame nshira mo si yin de na Yale University.
Okay.
Na me accounting course, chartered accountant.
Okay.
Inti menye ya yonkofo a ye hia ade ye adwen de ye baka ke ye be ye pon adwuma ye be hia ade na me adwuma we KPMG.
Okay.
Inti ye adwen don de ye baka ke hia ade wo Workers College.
Okay.
Inti ye pon na ye ko na baby a ye ke hia ade no ye ke wie wo class bi. Sana adwan won so wo class. Enti okay yakwa yesu ayi won dey bi no so wo nti yesu ye ade adakro biti no obande 1 year economics nana won hundo.
Okay.
No school of bilingual
secretary.
Okay.
Enti ye na ye wie school of admin na economics na yi
wo sa no
ye hwe no won hundo no nya ne na nyokofo hundo na ye kire won.
Okay.
Enti ye kire won na afi na okay, ye be
Anyankofu.
Okay.
Into no nya na nkotin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so ye anyongufo e baasa. No one so ye be yan.
Yeah, 4.
Okay.
Inti afi ebe hu inti edu ho no ma inti wo problem be chiri kra sa no ya
Accounting.
so kakra.
Yeah.
Inti na afi na ye dan da ye chire ho.
Okay.
Inti na ebudu de chire ho na ye chire ho.
And you be nyankofo.
Hey. Eh no we nyonkofo.
Inyo.
Okay. Say no wa bor nyonko.
Inyo.
Obanden. Oyeden. There were 4 of them.
Exactly.
Oyeden na you kwer.
Mo.
About 17 na you kwer. Ba din na hu wonu hu nte yi anu ja 3 na wa kan. Zempi. Onye pi da mo hu. Okay.
Because mo see in there. Here nyongufo e baasa no.
Okay.
Some way somehow no. You connected with
Obia connected
with somebody.
Exactly.
Even though it was just friendship.
Inyo.
Did the others end up in marriage?
No.
And it was nothing. There
Okay.
was nothing, but we all got connected.
That's right. Some way, somehow.
Interesting.
Yes.
So how was that fire connection?
Inyo.
We connected.
Inyo.
And Mankotin and Betino, it went
Beyond friendship.
Beyond the friendship.
Okay. Okay. At what point now? And who there? Nipan. A penny question and answer.
Okay, into my actually, this was in 95.
Yes.
95. And then, them time, na see you were trying to be July. Into year around May, April, May,
Yeah,
there about.
yeah.
We started the year. Until from then we started communicating. Them time the mobile phones now.
No, be you who.
Until then, no.
So how are you? You're writing? No, what you're like this?
You would do.
Okay.
Until when we started connecting, then I wasn't too settled what I want to do. But as we got and we started connecting and started talking, her simplicity, her openness. And I know a guy pa. Because I'm the Odambe.
Nam da me fu munti.
I see.
On the main full life way free, you know. Aha.
Me a little reserved.
No, you're reserved in your.
That got us connected. And then the more deeper one was a commitment to God.
Yes.
That was the most critical one.
Okay.
From there that we found a good base.
That's right.
The man
No, you're so full.
No. Chartered accountant.
And to know you're so full. In your.
I was very
Committed Christian.
Okay. Do you remember the proposal day?
Oh, I do.
Okay.
31st July, 1995.
Oh my
Oh
God.
yes. Oh yes.
There or can't say obewaro.
Inyo.
And who date now? What born
Oh, na ma catch on 31st July.
Okay.
But I'm
do
not
PA
my baby cry. You know, you put
yeah.
your call lunch.
Yes.
And the na restaurant you are behind Rage Hospital.
Okay.
You know, because them time no any service for 31st Women's movement.
Okay.
Now me mami ye juma wo ye nurse for Rage Hospital.
Okay.
Inti samopuns from school la. Na ma akotwen wo ho na ye nda me daddy abafanye na na ye
No,
ko.
train or 31st.
Ha, no, me twen wo me mami ne ho.
Okay.
Yes, and then the 31st is not been Ridge Hospital.
Oh, West
Why down
Okay.
ho?
Yeah,
Aha.
that's right.
No, inti.
Okay.
We went out for lunch on
see.
the 31st
Oh, you
July.
like to call lunch?
Oba farm actually, from school.
Say
And then a school of bilingual secretaryship. No, Workers College.
That's right.
Inti no area wha.
Okay.
Aha.
That time na wadwene eyo say anhwe abrɛ yi obɛka sɛ ɔpɛ wa na
Oh.
as n'ani gye ho ana na bibisa wo tirim.
There be honestly. In
Okay.
fact, the first time I liked him.
Okay.
Because now I'm say oseda daba. Exactly. Na maso me dadaba.
Okay.
And I think that was what connected us.
Okay.
And he was so humble, you know.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Aha.
Okay. So now any idea wo hwe nim so obeka say obeware. Nti na ne da no restaurant ho no. Do you remember how he said it? Or kind of thing?
It's like let's see how
Let's see how.
it will go.
Yes.
Because then I realized that she was going to travel.
Yes.
Nti o si yenhwes anwonkofa no.
Himfa na ni ebedu.
Okay.
Aha. The next day na Morocco, France.
Yes.
Na Morocco Chiam school do France.
Okay.
Aha.
Nti mo di nkra. Bibisa.
Sort of, but that was because na me nim say otu kwamba onka there says I'm a local boy. Inti
Na yezin komo.
yeah, yes, you could. It
Come on.
was like, yes,
Okay.
I'm interested in you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, share how.
That's right.
Because then I don't think I was very, very ready.
Ready.
No.
Okay.
No, because we courted for 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Until
Okay.
Yeah.
it was like, okay, share manya me.
But yeah, no, the ambo humpe exactly. Exactly.
3 years courtship no. Emu bi wo ho ana uni Ghana. Ana nani nyina wo Ghana.
Just for 6 weeks.
Yeah, we proposing at the Chiano too.
Not the China mo cry.
Not the letters in the bag.
Or the letters in the bay. Them time na phone. No need access to phone.
Okay.
Internet few letters.
Okay.
Aha.
Okay, into 6 months no. Pen na wo Ghana. Is that what?
6. No. Now onyinti me proposing.
Yeah.
Then not the chain.
No, 2
fine.
Okay.
And then she was away for 6 weeks or so.
Oh, okay. And no san
Now
baba.
we stand baba.
Okay, so for most time of the
I was here.
3 years in there now.
yeah.
Namu aha.
Okay, into Christopher me
Good.
3 years courtship. Mo manage ni saying.
Exactly, I like that.
Okay, well, my main come story.
Okay, count story.
And you no go to my story ni.
Okay.
Because the parents were very, very strict.
Very.
Who parents are no.
How many
the
parents? Strict SU members. I mean
That's right.
Christians.
That's right.
Inti, I visit her once in a week.
Yes.
On a Sunday. On a Sunday.
No, Nyambra, but it happened.
Okay.
It happened.
Once, and then when we go into Mupon Chapra, then I was at the Mataiko branch of the Four Square Gospel Church.
Okay.
Into Mupon Sunday, Mupon area bra na moko. And the other thing was that I was also learning for the CA.
No, you're engaged.
Inti mudu number year 2-3 honoma. Then she will attend the cantonment fellowship.
Near the cantonment. Tinamoko fellowship or near me to Aquinas.
Yeah.
Sundays.
Okay.
Into Oba Neoko.
Inti neoko.
Okay.
Inti say wopona opon 5:36. Inti ebananto from cantonments from Aquinas to around Dubois Center.
Okay. Hey.
That is the only time we can talk.
But
that's right.
You know, a TV maybe at 7 o'clock news.
Okay.
Inti with the family na 7 o'clock news ni year. I must vanish from the house.
Oh yes.
That's around 8 years or
no. Russia.
Oh, okay.
Into our other mom suboko that
Okay.
they are going to prepare for the
Obi
next day.
ampam.
Oh no.
Oh no. But you can't stay there late.
It means you were never tempted. One chance of your crowd.
Oh,
3
no,
years
you didn't create.
the way I move,
You didn't create
Yeah.
the opportunity.
Yeah, the opportunity for it.
And if you are going out,
Yes.
drive
Obesano.
into. But what made me what that did was that I was determined to take her from the house
Okay.
and then have her for myself.
Because almost tavo.
So it's like, and one of our challenges is like, you know, then you have to negotiate.
Exactly.
And
Ne papa.
With Mara.
And she's used to it until on to Mumpe, no, by Umbefiantem, Umbefiates. No, that one is out.
It's out.
Okay. Oh no, do be pia just say or no can.
Onu be shiam, bo be driver no ka kesan wo be kura be as e ko out. The odi Asian. One driver na atwen. Until after a certain time, other mo come back to fie. Okay.
Even up to now, she's not a so
said anya there we need you bebre sa. So how do you keep the love going?
Exactly.
You are not the type of baby. It means to say dance so on hand home baby.
I was learning but we kept, and that was where the letter writing.
Yes. Yes.
Where's I can say?
Oh, sweet words. Let us look at the emotion, baby.
I see. Okay. Inti, tell me. Say there, moi can't asem no. Mo nyen kofo. Usually kofo pay abontin couples pay. So mo person mo have fun.
Yeah.
Ti mo dey mo yen say.
Oh.
No, we enjoyed it all.
We program. And
yes, sir. How do you have fun? Mo jimoni
now before.
Now I'm
now we are together. So we don't need any permission from Obia.
Okay.
Yan yeti and wasinti. Oh, we have fun.
Okay, how?
Oh, yeji.
How?
No, we like visiting restaurants.
Okay. Mama kada ya worrying. You decided that for the first 2 years and young raising family, you betchma all the Chinese restaurants.
What?
Oh yes, and we did.
Really?
Oh, I'm telling you, we really had a nice time.
For the first 2 years, mo sheda pa.
Debbie.
Mo sheda.
Debbie study and who ye.
We decided to have fun.
Okay. Said the mayor.
So that we will have time for each other and just have fun.
Okay.
Yes.
Who are you design?
26.
That was 29.
29, yeah.
Okay. See, for 2 years after that, no.
Yes.
Mo jimoni.
Yes.
And san ankwala na ba. Abe say niam. Okay. Now, I know no. Usually I hear say when you do that, I know na fe do pese awon ba.
Oh, no, mom. I think for the first few months, but yeah, so.
No. We're not too worried.
No, we're not.
No, we.
Break. In fact, I mean, I sure say after 2 years, no, yeah, after 2 years now, I'm calling crab by. Yeah, but it's here.
Oma oba ehunu se oyo oba oda ne ho adi se oba kyerɛw
se yemfa buo a mawukunu a wo so yemfa buo ma wo
enuanum enenso yamamu akwa baba Pen TV edwumedi ato din sa warepɛ so
so biye be ware a psychological no ya na obo say you have higher expectations America crave no obo say ampa obetumi aye nima no bi but the fay na the broni be can say realities said ye asetenate
Higher Pen TV. Oh, Shama, warrior, you may dear. Ora, you say, Reverend Sey, and then who come for my Adwoa Sey from 4 Square Gospel Church. In fact, 4 Square Gospel Church for General Secretary, and who come for ne. Yamia, I do want. Ye dear Mudomu and Come 4 Square for you now. Hello from Pen TV. Yamisha. Okay, Inti. What the 2 years Jimmy? na after 2 years na awọ na bantam sa.
Oh, obey. It wasn't exactly
it wasn't
like
sudden,
2
but
years.
Not
Yet, we are not
worried. Brother, pressure, everybody. Oh, one more jam, 1 hour, 1 more ya then oh, what can you say?
Interesting. Because who was sheda? Now, yes, sir. But then, because nkofo nimini
society.
Yeah, until no almost then.
Oh, but is there a problem? Even chapel. Oh, I hope you are one. You know. But yeah, once you get a young plan.
That's right.
Into on the nkofo country boss is shame young boy and bra. Young boy and bra no ba no aba. Na kupon ozema, you know. Into when we were relaxed.
Okay.
You know, we were
why this idea anybody?
Oh, we agreed. No, I'm right. Before we married, we were talking about
all these things.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So you don't even remember the particular person crowded by?
No.
Afra.
No, and we talked about the number of children we want to have
and the spacing and
okay.
You know your plan crowded out.
Think of observers are worried.
Oh, the one was said. I says you cry. With 2 boys.
What's that girl?
Yeah.
What can it wait?
That's right.
You
have to live your life.
Oh yes. We should know what is good for you. Yeah. You know what is God's purpose for your life.
Yes,
that's it.
And live it.
Nkwala after 2 years on bank of money.
No, we're just we are living our lives.
There will be that pressure, yes, and as human beings, naturally we feel the pressure. But once we understand ourselves,
we're living our lives.
That's right.
And we said we'll have 2 boys, 2 children. You didn't say boys or girls. We are done.
That's it. Observers are worried.
Oh,
for
you
nothing.
Can't live your life with.
No.
It will be our work there until now.
That's stressful.
That's it.
We live our lives.
That's it.
We live our lives.
A dear near man, mummy and muye. More planning for our real no say a big gina. Near my ben a muye a day. She said our real no agent. I'm sure sending a montiana. We didn't come up.
Very good. Oh, yes, come on. And then I also remember that during time I near court near Shia Bompay.
Okay.
And I very much remember.
Okay.
Shia Bompay.
No boy.
Yeah, boy, was.
West Africa
Secondary School.
Right. Park
no.
Nipa bebre
no.
That's right.
Near Bompay.
Okay. Yeah, Bompay.
Yeah, Bompay. You read about marriage.
Okay. And never been an ammo pie. That's before I'm worry.
Bompa my young
I want to be now most ever committed. And Miss Adwoa Bompay or work pa Miss Ne. Say during the time I all hurt him pa, I should love him more. And it's happening.
Oh my God.
We catch an uncle on there. Even the time that he has hurt me, God help me to love him more.
Tell me the biggest hurt. Dear now why ya panda.
Me you sure that
okay.
Oh Debbie.
Oh, okay, be why ya.
Say problem never. We solve it and then we move on.
Okay.
And amazingly, time my own I the tension na yem gbefu na ye solve me so nkwa na wa nkwa ye dem.
That's right.
Oh
and there. And takwa ne ba e chire no. No do na ye kese. Okay.
Because we determined to solve the problem.
Right.
Okay.
And yeah, doing the problem. Say, emi na man kasa, Obama ma kasa.
Okay.
Say,
how did you do that?
Oh, kasa.
Okay.
Oh no.
Inti on pekasa kra bebresa to sell.
In fact, I'm the man who is dancing.
Okay. Na do baby ana who say girl you kasa dodo.
Oh.
On me montra. But masum mu da kasa no ye na masum control mu.
Okay. Inti when do baby I say mami no.
Oh, Debbie.
Okay. It's normal ma.
Yes.
But wo no be hu say unya ne say okasa mo anka obe.
Oh, no so okasa o. Okay. So okasa o joke na ade. Sem bien na ihu. Okay. Joke. Oh, Miss Awa be fear where bo hu.
Meba.
Ewro. Miss na onyi no tina carnation na. Nta ya okankan nta ya ne ndam krantam say carnation anointing na.
Enkran no so I want it.
Oh, metin kan.
Oh, wait kakra. Okay. So any man ben am here to have fun.
Oh. Make it your wife first.
Apart from restaurants no come.
Yeah, candle light wo fie. Oh yes.
Okay.
Oh no. The boy you do light, no ya so candle. Na bia ya rice, it could be anything.
Oh really?
Any
yeah.
And they
oh.
On that mo from na be no na
mo from me.
Around
Na dey na mo from baba na mo jai.
Okay. Go for kakra ba kra be a birthday, a be special occasion. Yebako weekend.
Okay. Okay. General secretary but to pay. To the wife pay.
Where the first ministry of any minister is the wife, is your family.
Okay.
In Tumunjawu family on Kaya Chapel.
I don't have some no in Tumunjawu family.
No way.
And Kaya Chapel.
No way.
Now the Bible now my conditions are.
No.
Scale
of preference.
No. Now one of the things I hear on the chapel no so. If you Old Testament ensuring you will my way what for the temple. And then you have the home. Deuteronomy say when you sit at home you talk about teach your children about honestly a chapel.
Honestly a chapel.
Honestly a chapel. Answer one so you pay honestly a chapel there. In Tisai we are not in your fear. You have no right to go into the sanctuary. That's true. You have no right.
You suffer power of beyond chapel.
Oh, Nakupon Trecum. Oh, one time.
Okay. Benti.
Because
I didn't know what
of money.
Okay. Never me.
Don't worry, bear 7 years. No, I can't do okay. This of them say, my paddy.
No way. How did you convince her?
Oh, yeah, I'll come by now. But at a point, I'm so no.
Are you done for how long?
Oh, Cherry. But it's even
in
stages.
Yes.
It's even in stages. Because what happened in into what happened the man major and man yankopon nankasa on yejuma wono ho. And then that was the first because I started as a part-time.
Okay.
Until now I'm an accountant.
Part-time then now you okay.
Until that was the first point.
Okay.
Yes.
That was the first point.
Until on penny no. And I would start part-time.
No.
And I would start part-time.
And son. Go ahead.
And when we processing.
Oh no.
Process.
Even that one, it wasn't easy for her.
Okay.
There you even are becoming the pastor. But okay, part-time. Say you were away, so I was working with other companies.
Okay.
Until 2014, and then there was the next stage where I have to transition to virtually full time.
Okay.
And that was very, very a difficult thing. Until honestly, my crapot man can't shred.
Okay.
No, man can't shred. But now home and I was waiting for her to say that where we've got into, this is what we do, and God really answered that.
That's interesting.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until she said it, I wasn't.
True.
Okay. Nti na enyum de onya da obey easy. Say ono obepene so.
Ma kra no nye easy ma.
One I didn't not resign no ba into full-time ministry.
Okay.
Into na kra na onye too comfortable with it.
No, it wasn't easy for
Why?
me.
It wasn't. Oh.
No.
I thought it should be easy.
No, naturally you are working, you've risen to a position of director of finance. And with all the privileges. Into Osha, remember go school. Even though me ejuma, remember go school. Can I, forfeit all these?
Yeah.
But I just told him to go ahead.
And that's one
what
thing
did
about.
God tell you and son open so?
But man of funi na okay. No, God really prepared me for that.
Okay.
Two no na namre. Oh, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Two years now sense stroke akra.
You know, one thing about her, and they say, urban things of God are unrestricted. On Tony, they say 1 week or say 2 weeks, number semeruko baby or ye nyamie juma. another miracle wait and bibia so fanyame say yen nyina ya ketua na yes ye dre hyenya o ye nyame nkotin da onjinem she always releases me
Exactly.
she always
that's
releases
also another
me.
prayer I pray that God don't let me stand in between you and him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nti uja ejuma ho na wabedi sofo. Obviously, sika a woje we ejuma mu no.
Yes.
Ebe ba form.
Yes.
Enye te said the
No.
director of
Finance.
For Ghana airports.
Ghana Airport.
that's big.
Yeah.
All the travel opportunities.
You know, initially, no. How did you cope? What penis were we in a reality? I hate to say, Sikano Swat, how did it go?
It wasn't any different.
In fact, it wasn't as we thought.
Okay.
God has
how?
been very good. Say you go on the frawa or work people.
Okay.
Inti, I'm sure once God called, or prepare him for it. Inti, I don't think it was,
No,
difficult.
and it's we transitioned so easily that I even doubt how I was afraid. I had been afraid. And I've been afraid for like 10 years.
Oh.
I had been afraid to take that step for like 10 years. If I'm talking about 10 years, that is like, if from now I'm 14 years.
Okay.
I'd been afraid to take that decision.
Okay.
And it took me like 10 years to take that decision.
Okay.
And I look back now and say, Ibantina man,
we make provision already.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Has she been helpful? I just saw from mommy, papa.
Hey,
tell us.
It has been, and one of the things that she adjusts, and because of that, she is a PR person now. She's into counseling.
Okay.
And Nina to support.
Okay.
And then the MME a bit quiet, a bit, and she is more outgoing and friendly. In the ministry, she makes it up for.
Okay. Balancing,
balancing for me because I'm open, one-on-one there, but I'm very reserved. Until she can connect to people, relate to people more than I do. And of balance, and she's always there. Whatever it takes for her, for the ministry to go on, that one you can count on her 100%.
Auntie Aja, are you enjoying the ministry?
I am.
Okay.
I am.
How?
I am. Because he also how do I even put it? He appreciates the support I give him. And the counsel I give. You know.
Okay. On cancer no nyame friend. Okay.
He's open to advise, to counsel, to support, and all that. Okay. So he even makes it easier for me.
Okay, to support.
Exactly, to support.
Ujine futu.
Oh, because in them people are mammy me.
Okay. It's interesting. General Secretary, but oyire futu odi ejuma. Okay. That's great.
There are various aspects, and they are one of the things I'm very, very trust. There was an incident. One member of ours, or ranking during the day, there was something. Basically, a young lady, and it was the natural thing for you to do is go there.
Yeah.
And so I called her and said, "This is what this lady said."
Okay.
And I say. Okay. And I never thought of it. I would have just gone. Because
to help.
Yes. You see, and so the side and and if you don't listen to your wife in those regards, now you are then a pede help or be all the honor. A spiritual king kong and the fan in I read that. It's been receive a course on the phone.
Okay.
No. Cheat there or your life and death. And I tell my church, because that is family time.
Yeah. Okay. From what time do you stop taking calls?
Oh, from 9. And
I won't make
a call.
It's family time.
Maybe I'm a baka to no cry.
Of I want it. And brass say, Uma, we're so time.
Family.
No, we're boosting 4 times.
Because we're critical.
Yeah. Pala need the same.
18 and 15.
Kroma so much
one boarding house for SHS. We actually first one we SHS.
Okay.
It's on our faces here.
I like that. Then you are enjoying pa.
By the grace.
You could break aba. Yeah, baba say so for mama oye adwuma na. Na so oye adwuma so for sika no odi bi. Say so for o man is can be dia na.
Hi, my name is Joseph Beldankwa, host of Periscope. Periscope brings knowledge, experience sharing, understanding, the history, the antecedents, generations, and the levels of impartations of God through his men in the ministry of the Church of Pentecost.
Okay.
And I'm free coffee chrome and a dema a honor miss.
Utieme. Now, who do you remember farmers so dear bar? You'll be never catch or say a brandy or namwe or a prophet.
Watch Periscope this and every Sunday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., and you will be blessed. Periscope on Pen TV. It's all about Jesus. God bless you.
Is there a supernatural dimension? A world beyond the one we know? Is there life after death? Do angels exist? Can our dreams contain messages from heaven? Can we tap into ancient secrets of the supernatural? Are healing miracles real? Sid Roth has spent over 35 years researching the strange world of the supernatural. Join Sid for this edition of It's Supernatural.
Hello, Sid Roth here. Welcome to my world, where it's naturally supernatural.
Yes, I'm on Kwama View. Oh, Shema, worry you may I have Paint TV. Ora ni ora yere me chere Reverend Francis Say and in who can for ma Adwoa Sey from Foursquare Gospel Church. In fact, General Secretary. What? And ne wa bedum yende na wari mu nsam ebetu yefo e wo yumedie so nyame hira wo pa se wo te ho a wo hwe ye be ko break no na he say anta Adwoa patcho eye adwuma
Mpoche nyom ye adwuma.
Oh, okay. Patcho eye be adwuma.
Menye USAID funded project bi adwuma.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Na me development partners collaboration specialists.
Okay.
Nti development partners and our donors are what Ghana ha why into agric in the agric sector.
Okay.
Me should na me coordinate one activities na.
Okay. Okay, nti chapel ma kwande ye adwuma.
Oh, nyo chapel ma kwande ye adwuma.
Okay. Ti uji wo salary. Steady wo kan mbedu.
Nyo na me na do.
Adwoa. Na sika no mu edu sa no sa just stop money.
Feel boya ya shada ya top money na zo.
Okay.
Also ya another year before ya ba ya agree on.
Okay.
Inti me nka de awu fai ana awu fade. Odu baby na awu ahombotuma na afa.
Okay.
Na ye. Inti ya gladly.
Okay.
Even without any regulation no semi sika. Me nka de eko me sika. Person da also on order one kafa.
Mesima ye general secretary gboni den call them now. Ye interesting there. Hey, general secretary. Na gboni din down. Oh, you very interesting.
Na also person da. Ndi ye transparent. Motu me use ni ATM, obotu me use me ATM. Oh yes.
Ni ATM pin ni nyim.
No.
Tumu fa the kegiska. Oh, ye mo shisho kakra. Oh.
Maybe anapa onu no fifie na adwuma nti o fifie ntem.
Okay.
Nti se bi o hie sika. O na yin there wa fa menwa beti wa send message okay me ko no me yi sika o mi nti.
Okay.
Me so sama broke na me hwe me ko no person ma. Nti ye to them a chop money in the
yeah. Benyini yi ko ha. No.
Ya anye bi da.
Ahon okono ba.
Ye bi da.
Mu de na kono aba.
Enye bi da. This guy needs miska nti oh ye hia yi na da ye hia yi ofie nti reba atoba.
Nti wo pede wo ye big project what do you do?
Oh, honestly a plan for it.
Okay.
Honestly a plan for it.
Okay.
Okay. Nti non the ye operate a joint account nti honestly okay bosumi ye de ba another abram ye adwuma na de okay nti ono nti owo so owo would can fire them. Fire them na musumemfa yi ne nye them na ye
that's a brand na ye adwuma na say ya edi sofi
say ya creative fund nti okay today next year ya pede project nti okay sika ye be hia nti ma hoodin also one hoodin nti factory nti ye save nti more no so na ye ma ye be ye na ye daye on of towards the prayer but they it femina electricity school fees obi atumitua
okay I see as and when
yes ember no do
that's interesting nti joint account no de obi a de bitum na mo individual account no so no as and when bibi hia no you don't care whether obi anso nka say me save we wo
the baby I about to ye wo ye edin ye wo ye joint edin mo so
okay
and baby I to mentanter ono no tonter no
I see okay
okay
two bank accounts na any other property whatever onyim ni nyina ho asem
so obi mamiska But the bill of grammar, Mamma Baba to Monyama, a midrisha, baby, into the home. Oh, CK of him, oh, was Messina.
Okay. To be Obi Mouse Cow, sorry, I'll be Chose Cow, sorry,
or Betty.
Okay.
Until may I announce or Betty.
But if you want now, I put it down. Okay. Oh, be a mokwe, then was a mum.
Ti o banda ska ma beti nti ya ka se patro mu mienu preko na asamasa yes sir because we dey o beti okay nti se obi ba fie the issues ba ohia moa ohia advice se dey da aka no onu no eye quiet kakra ni nyina na na wo handle ana ibu ha mu mienu nyina
most of the time you two na you handle
okay
most of the time
especially our because or they ihunu from Benin side then ihunu from Besia and she's trained a trained counselor
okay when you are not happy about something wofu bibi ho what do you do
me kakra but maka ho asem
oh on to abaka
but I'm on the maka we moncher
okay okay
no moncher
uye din kakra but obeka ho asem na we de me so kan tempa
but I am yes circumspect about it or end up we fusu na adekun dem bufu amankasa nti onu so mu dem aye dina obo wonder there oh so when you dey be say oh are you okay me so I'm okay
da me adin and da ma di you fa na wahimpo
so dem am go adwi na me way am there oh or bibi am to my ignore
okay
yeah
okay so some of them we ignore
oh of course
okay okay very important na ne o for say say ka ho asem
ni aso ho na ni e record
na o kan there or you okay na wa so nim so you okay what do you do
no if you are persist so an kasa if you am so okay na the chia na I mean I didn't
table food
okay
nti ade ba chin e ba bompa ya na yakọ ya na yakọ e bi o ma na o ka de o da me yin ti na but
Okay. You have in-laws. In-laws wo. Okay.
My parents were no no mother wo.
Okay.
My sisters na the brother.
Okay. To manage your saying.
Oh.
Se bro nyaso. Ana bro nyaso ye po bibi hia ewo either side.
Oh, yeah, fulfill here. The obligation. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, schedule so you can say the next time you on ma, but you allow for flexibility.
Yes. Okay. And
because obusuan bia na mesa how it is.
Exactly.
Their family is very open.
Very.
Okay.
Mine is not too open. Like my mom will want to talk to me about something. Into or not a mako. Into there are times and we understand that.
Sure.
There are times I will go to my mom alone, and there are times we all go.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
How
are you preparing for that day? Nkwala no tu no nyina. Sisi akroma start.
Omoko, say omoko.
Yeah, almost.
Pension na ya start.
Yeah. Sisi akamu mienu.
Okay. Or them you start first.
But exactly. You know, how useful do you think that was now?
Exactly.
One of the things I hear say right from start, and the yama moframa no one my yente. We love them, you spend the time, but one was Susana, won't there, Wobo
That's right.
No, be giant.
I did 2 years a bond.
Wobo Twin, into 1 2 men, CC and Tim. Kakraba no 3 months of cranny to make a jam. Ni yoko weekend nearby.
Yes. Muko January. No more on Honamuko Jimuni. Okay.
Ain't he one absence really affected Bibia. Affected Bibia.
That's it. Yeah. Said the mumu etim once yes mu Jimoni for 2 years and son and much shada pa and son and ma wo. E to be a bit no warrior. The next week na obi akwa tu kwan ba kwa kwhyem saa afutu be na ye hwet de mumu ye amode ma nkofo etisa
obiana mo be na war ewa obi o ha
sana aba bia sa na mo fo se omo ye no but ubetu omo fo se omo ye sa
my be candidate aware the bonding no mu hia bonding no mu hia na bonding o shall see even before because you answer your about war no cry we're doing things aware no year plan aware no the 3 years no plans and then ye akatua ye gene no nye bia
okay
inti ye plan accountant inti ye budget inti okay be ma ho din ya inti dem ho no na sha ase wo inti okay metu me de yi aboa emisu me de yi baboa na ye de planning ye de ye ya aware
okay
inti ye sha ase wo ho inti ye war na oyada
a continuation
yeah dada inti even though we're not staying ma net adore ye net mutumo fa me use on your problem
to most start bondo ye kran se na mo ware
inti bonding ye very critical and the beginning of the marriage economy na a problem na wo inti semo nyamber na mo bonda and then ebi no aware ne bi o no ma wo postpone the issues no ebi on mo awode mo frama no katanyi and then na mo frama no kwa na issues no wo ho them time na problems no I be 15-20 years. Into the jai. Into the bonding should be or that shesina. There was a time you were and Chebi also now when you maybe war because of bilingual word was Senegal. No mado. So $1 million in poor. $1 million in poor. $1 million per uncle.
Yes.
Into obe sacrifice big international job no
yes
because
mu pesa warrior no
yes
ejina
yes
interesting point
yes enti
wa man anko no decide say
that's
it because
because of the family.
Okay. Interesting.
Inti order now bonding or adjustment. The first is the adjustment. Inti you are coming into fit. Inti order ye open and closed enough so that it can fit.
Okay.
Inti adjustment. Make and there na on no to atere mam. Yawarin. The first week. Yeah, first fighter yenya. Oye offer matter. Ruko ejuma ma abotai.
Osa onye fe.
Osa tai nyefe. Me say abra me bo fie me bo fie. Mo botai me tai. Anka hwe.
Obe no ma shuni na. Oh, no ma shuni na cut off. Oh, please.
Like oshi na mpampa.
Oh. Master so ni na ma to fufur.
Na wo ware wo na odi tai no ba fie de.
Oh, na me you control.
Inti ma me so okay. On the man ko to bibi na mbe gina aka de. Inti all bibia all to.
Na fa hye me.
In fact, into ono kra na obe atare ono na oka de nde hye.
Okay.
Inti de bia obe kire me ma me hye. Inti misua ma obe me hye na combinations na inti me ehu de eyi no nye yi ko. Eyi no nye yi ko.
Because why am I who say?
Inti I had to adjust to that.
Okay.
Okay. Inti how we got around that for us in there. Okay. All the choose atarema. Maybe I be the mam na meshe. Man kan wan sembia. And that solved it.
Exactly.
Inti all day I want to adjust more. You can't always be right. In a day, baby, I was and baby, you must make compromises and make adjustments.
Imagine say na monti momo anka ne wo kan nyina nya de bitimi ayi.
Enyo, cause our energy mo ka bet na mu relationship na enyu ano. So there money space. So if one is staying there here and the other place wo bufu amutu kofie. Na mo akuma to mu yema but nyin pa ne da no buefu a you don't have space to recover nti
wo be kanara
nti honom na nkrofo nya prepared a aka de na manhwe na dem so ban de me hu da bi dem so ban no wo ho well na anhwe na but the pressure within the marriage if you are not emotionally matured you going into marriage it will be exposed aware be exposed character
okay
inti say enya nyimdi na ahobrase da ka de okay aware no osombo sin ma memepe and that is the most important thing aware no osombo sin ma memepe
de ma ye mi hu say esombo ma mo chance kampo
yes
okay because you chose marriage no over sika.
Marriage is an institution ordained by God.
And you can never be anybody beyond how your marriage is.
Yes.
Ooh.
You can't.
You can't
be anybody.
Untimi. So why? Enye. I say me ni tree comes to bed. You can't be anybody beyond
yes.
Who you are in the marriage.
Yes. You can be able to my managing director. Ma wa worry ko ndo hwe.
I said.
Na
you are managing. Oh, you also your managing director.
Atete kra ezebo ko adwuma mu no kra.
Okay.
You end up doing other things na the. Na wo spouse on release wa into nko wenyi. Into nko wenyi.
Release. On release wa untimi nko wenyi. Mpacho kire ya se ka.
No, or that wo spouse wo yira na okun ojitum de the madi na rekeye no tawechi
odina kuma
otawechi oni te be ya de abrodo e be ya de abrodo
eza wo hukanfo emfa na kuma ni ne wo ye n'echi a
forget it. You have a first opposition in the house. Okay. And ekwai ba
ote ho adwen
inti waso nyimi inti kokra na wadwen adere me baby yimroboko was on that platform you can't be your best. You can't be your best.
Do you think bonding ayekin we are a very good example of that. The initial stages. Say obi entimi anye no initial stages. Yes, baby, trim be about point to kwanya kwatena baby after a while no maba. Do they still have a chance?
Oh yes.
It depends on the two of them.
Okay.
Yende they be there. Even strangers can marry.
Okay.
But once I move to, we decide there, you be committed to each other and to the institution, it will work.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. The General Secretary of Foursquare Gospel Church, Reverend Francis Sey, and a beautiful, cute wife. Auntie Adwoa Sey, oh my worry. Would you want to express love to each other in any way?
Hey.
I better attempt Tiana.
Yes. I'm good at no. Yeah. Okay. The General Secretary of Foursquare Gospel Church. About to express.
No, it's not. Baby.
Difficult or strange.
No.
Out of place.
Let it roll.
Because it is Nyamina.
Part of
it
you.
is part of our life.
Exactly.
Mekai AUCC she won a prize. And I kissed her in public.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Oh wow!
Yes.
See, this is how you teach us. This is how you teach us doing it. Okay, we are ready. One of my eyes close to one. Make a pet.
Because the only way we can express not in words because
exactly
unless we kiss.
Where's the new? Me, I don't mind though.
Okay.
Hey, you are ready to.
You know, that's the General Secretary of Foursquare Gospel Church expressing love to his wife. The General Secretary of Foursquare Gospel Church. Na odi dosa. Wo say the Jesus Christ odon na safo no. Oye bi e di a kire mi di so osia ni ma bebere. I pen TV. Wa hwe ma wari adwumadi owura ni owura yiri say Nyame enhira mo papa. Foursquare Gospel Church fo nyina. Ebi amowo bia. Hi from Pen TV. Nyame enhira mo General Secretary. Dia dance papa. Mi enhira mo nyina. Meeting Eddie Georgina. Bye.
And then it is there love so strong to set me near